Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be an unboxing of a giveaway that I won from the Melina over at the Millennial Dollar. So exciting. It was for her 4,000. She finally got to, well, finally, she's been quickly growing to 4,000 subscribers, which is so awesome. Yay, Melina, congratulations. I'm super stoked. So I, entered the giveaway and I won and I'm so excited. So I'm going to open this up with you guys. I haven't looked at it at all except for the card that's on top. So, of course, her signature floral tape. I love it. And this is the box. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. The sticker says you matter, which of course we all matter. You matter. Thank you so much. So I'm going to sit that in here. And then there's another little sticker which just says, girl, you totally got this. And I love this because this is what I used to always say to my coworkers. So it's so funny that I got a sticker that says that. Cute, cute, cute. It says, thank you so much for entering my giveaway. You won the #2 box. I hope you love it all. And if you could tag the shops included and share it, I'd appreciate it. Of course, I'm going to share it. So every shop will be linked and listed below. And I'm going to do my best to link the items, but I'm not so savvy yet. But every shop will be listed below for sure. And the link will be there. So awesome. Okay, love this. Perfect. Okay, her signature. I'm just going to take this all out, y'all. I'm going to take it out. It's so cute. It's so cute. The signature paper. Oh my, I didn't know it came with a binder. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. Okay, I don't even want to ruin the paper. It's so cute. Beautiful. We'll stick that there. Okay, so let's get into this. I love this color. I love it's like crocodile or animal print snakeskin. You know, if you know me, you know that's my favorite. Okay, all right, here we go. Oh gosh, it's so cute. It's got nice pockets and space here. Gold hardware, love that. Let's see what's on the other side. And then a nice space here. Oh, very nice. Okay, I love this. I don't know where this one's from, so I'm going to have to look it up. But this is gorgeous. I love this. I'm going to set this up here with my other binder. Perfect. Okay, let's see what we've got here. So I got Girls Girl. This is from the RAEmarkable Dollar. And it is like girls' night out or doing the girls thing, all the love. I think she actually, when she was doing the video, when Melina was doing her video, she said that Ray from RAEmarkable Dollar created this because of her connections now that she has in our community for cash stuffing and budgeting, and it just made her, very thankful. And so I believe that's where it's from. And I think this is Ray and Melina, but I'm not sure if the third one's Maddie. I'm not sure. But if you know the answer, please drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear. But this is so cute. Like, sweet. Very sweet. Okay, perfect. These are from Budget with Maddie. You guys haven't seen RAEmarkable Dollar or Budget with Maddie. Their YouTube channels are amazing as well. Okay, I love these. I love the vellum, but I tend to find that I like not seeing any of my money, so I love the white as well. So Makeup Fun, Treat Yourself series. I love this, and then you get to decide how much each one is, and the total saved. Cool. Date Night, the fun series. Oh, okay, date night. I wish I drank. But yeah, that's really cute. Oh, I love the martini glasses with the hearts. And then, okay, Mystery Fall Savings, low denomination. Thank you. I love that. And how precious is that little ghosty ghost? Okay, yes, please. And then a $1,000 space holder. Very pretty. This is really, it's a nice weight, and it's so opaque you can barely see through it. So that's very nice. So I love those. Budget with Maddie. Very cool. And then this one is from Get It Done. Oh. Okay. Tricky. I'll get there, I promise. Beautiful. Okay, so these are the little month trackers, like the little calendars. I love these. They're so cute. Can she open them though, is the question. Oh, how sweet is that? Oh my goodness. How sweet is that? So sweet. Okay, it's going over here with my collection. Beautiful. So here's September. Oh, and there's a sticker on it. Beautiful. So September, October, November, and December. So all the Ber months. Love that. Can't get my order right. There we go. Perfect. We'll leave those there. And then this is, okay, this is really cute. I'm gonna have to get me a dice. I don't own a dice. How sad is that? But anyway, it's super cute. So get it done, dice fortune. So you roll 2 die, or twice maybe, and the first one is horizontal and the second one is vertical, I think. So if you roll a 1 and a 1, then you did this check mark, you save $1. This is really cute. I love this. It makes it exciting and something more to look forward to. So rolling the dice, yeah, perfect. Love it. Instructions are on the back. How very convenient. Very awesome. Get it done is working. I love it. I love it, love it. So we're going to put this here. And then we've got from Angie's Finance. I love Angie's Finance. Awesome. Wow, Angie really put in a lot here. So we got Fall Decor Savings Challenge. So you choose the denomination again. I love that. The leaves are beautiful. And then we've got Pumpkin Patch. Adorable. Apple picking. Okay, this one's really cute. I love that. Spooky Nights. And a sweater weather. Okay, yeah, absolutely. I love the sweater weather ones. It's great. Today I'm creating a coloring book sweater weather tumbler for Christmas. So check it out on my channel. I'll be posting that soon. And then this one's the plan dollar. So this is a cruise tracker. So you get to decide the denomination again, which is really sweet. How many of you guys have been on a cruise? I've been on a cruise one time. My kids were very small. I did not like it, but I think I would like it better as a person who's not taking children. So let me know. Have you taken your kids? Did they enjoy it? I think it was just that, we were very rushed. It felt rushed to me. But yeah, so the cruise tracker. Oh, travel tracker. Love the suitcases. Definitely want to travel someday. Right now it's a little difficult to do, taking care of grandma. But you have that. There's that. And then what is the, oh, these are from BeezysThings. Okay. And these look like dashboards. Wow. Okay, guys.